Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Eden Switch Emulator on PC in 2026 so you can play your legally backed up Nintendo Switch games. First, go to the official Eden Emulator website or GitHub page and download the latest version for your system. Eden is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android, but in this video we're setting it up on Windows. Once downloaded, extract the zip file using 7-zip or WinRAR. You can place the emulator anywhere on your PC, but I recommend creating an emulators folder to keep everything organized. Open the extracted folder and find eden.exe. Right-click it, create a shortcut, and move the shortcut to your desktop for easy access. Now launch Eden. If it says encryption keys are missing, click OK. Go to Tools. Install decryption keys, then select your legally backed up prod.keys file. After that, go to Tools. Install firmware and install your firmware file or folder. Once installed, you should see the firmware version at the bottom. Next, add your games. Double-click inside the game list area and select the folder where your legally backed up NSP or XCI files are stored. Your games should now appear. To install updates or DLC, go to File, Install Files to NAND, select your update or DLC files, and install them. After that, Eden will refresh and show the updated version beside the game. Now let's set up the controller. Go to Emulation, Configure Controls, select Pro Controller, then choose your connected controller from the input device list. You can use Bluetooth, USB, or keyboard. Remap any buttons if needed, then click OK. Next, go to Graphics. Set API to Vulkan for the best performance. If a game has problems, try OpenGL instead. Keep VSync on, use native resolution for stability, or increase the scale if your PC can handle it. You can also enable SMAA for cleaner visuals. For mods, right-click the game and select Open Mod Data Location. Paste your mod folder there, then right-click,